All right, we're gonna continue with the poem. 3. We are number 3 now. And the title says, Istwa kreyòl, kontinye. It's the continuation of the history of the Haitian language through that poem. All right, number 3 now. In Creole first. Number 3, in Creole first, and then we'll translate. Tout ça ne fait pas bon. Laisser blanc, c'est yon don. Oui, ça c'est trop à tort. Non pas qu'à gagner tort. Let's say it again in Creole. Tout ça ne fait pas bon. Laisser blanc, c'est yon don. Oui, ça c'est trop à tort. Non pas qu'à gagner tort. Now, what it's saying is, what we do or what we make is not good. When it's the colonialists that makes it, it's a gift. Yes, this is too much now. We cannot be wrong. We cannot be wrong. Now, number 4. Kreyòl la révolte. Li di pa ka gen de. Si c'est mwen pale, fok c'est mwen leve. Let's say this again in Creole. Kreyòl la révolte. Li di pa ka gen de. Si c'est mwen pale, fok c'est mwen leve. It's saying Creole la revolte. Now, when I say Creole la, it's Haitian Creole. Now, Haitian Creole revolts. Li di pa ka gen de. It says there cannot be two. Si c'est mwen pale, if I am the one you speak, referring to the language, that's the language speaking. If I am the one you speak, fok c'est mwen leve. I am the one you must raise up. That the text continues again. Next slide.